Hello everybody! In this video, we will explore on the topic whey protein. We will look into what is whey protein, its composition, types of whey, benefits of whey protein, homemade preparation of whey, materials required, methodology and result. Firstly, what is whey protein? Whey protein is a mixture of proteins isolated from whey, the liquid material of milk that separates from curds while making cheese. Whey is then filtered, purified and dried to form whey protein powder. Composition of whey. Whey is a mixture of mostly water with some protein. Alpha-lactalbumin, beta-globulin, bovine serum albumin and immunoglobulins. Fat, carbohydrates and lactose. Types of whey protein. Whey protein concentrate. It contains low levels of fat and carbohydrates. It tends to have 30 to 90% of protein depending on its concentration. Whey protein isolate. It is furthermore processed to remove the fat and lactose. It contains 90% of protein. Whey protein hydrolysate. It is a pre-digested form and has undergone partial hydrolysis so that it can be easily absorbed by the body. Benefits of whey protein. Promotes weight loss and increases muscle mass, helps in treatment of illnesses like jaundice, skin lesions, cancer and more, increases the levels of glutathione in the body, it lowers triglyceride levels, detoxification of xenobiotics, helps in protecting cellular components from the effect of oxygen intermediates and free radicals, helps in boosting the proper functioning of the immune system. In this video, I'll be using store-bought whey protein, but you can also prepare whey protein at home. For this, add 1 gallon, approximately 4 liters of milk into a large pot and heat it up to 180 degrees Celsius. Then add 5 tablespoons of lemon juice into it, close it with a lid and let it sit for 20 minutes. Using a cheesecloth and a strainer, gently separate the thick portion floating on the top. The leftover liquid is whey and to turn it into whey protein powder, dehydrate it for 24 hours. In this video, I'll be preparing a basic chocolate cake using whey protein. To prepare a nutritious chocolate cake, we will need the following ingredients. Sugar 1.5 cup, cocoa powder 3/4 cup, flour 1 3/4 cup, milk 1 cup, 2 eggs, baking soda 1.5 teaspoon, whey protein 1 scoop, oil 1/2 cup, salt 1 teaspoon, baking powder 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. So firstly, we'll take a bowl and add all the dry ingredients. Flour 1 3/4 cup, cocoa powder 3/4 cup, sugar 1.5 cup, salt 1/2 teaspoon, baking powder 1 teaspoon, whey protein 1 scoop, and baking soda 1.5 teaspoon. Now using the hand mixer, we'll gently stir all the ingredients. After mixing all the dry ingredients well, we'll combine in all the wet ingredients. Now we'll add the wet ingredients, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence and a cup of milk. We'll add the rest later while stirring the mixture properly using the electric beater. First, we'll gently stir this mixture with the hand blender. and then gradually we'll move on to the electric beater. Stir it for about 2 minutes. Add a bit more of milk. Now pour the batter into a properly greased pan. Now we'll bake the cake for about 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After baking the cake for about 30 to 35 minutes, let it cool down for 10 minutes. The result is a healthy, nutritious, protein-rich chocolate cake with a soft, spongy texture.